Whoop, we can get it back.
What was that? Go find some lead down here. There's probably a lot of lead. Yep.
Those kids are having fun. Look over here. That's where it bites hard.
Yeah. Bottle ring. Cap ring.
Okay, can we get ahead of you in a minute?
Found a fork, Jim.
A what?
You haven't found a fork yet, so.
A coin rather.
Crazy. Crazy iron here. Yeah. Something big here. Probably a smashed pop can or something. Straw. A ring pull can. Freaking crazy. Look at that. Top to a ring pull can. Freaking bizarre, man. Pop can. Freaking bring it.
Fine.
Oh, it sounded like something was over here. What the hell is that? I don't know. Some old junk right there. Oh, something screaming right here. Sounds like lead. Maybe some smashed lead here or something. Big old chunk of lead right there. Look at that. Big old chunk of lead. This sounds junky, very, very junky. Right there. Jeez. It ain't coming out of the ground. Ain't coming out of the ground. Big, it's big. Screamer, brass. It's a brass washer right there. Screamer. Something big here. It's iron, or it's a pop can. Nail right there, but it's another ring pull can right there. I can find a barber dime right on the surface down here, right? It's that crazy down here. There's the river right there. Just hoping to find a freaking coin here. I think we have a winner right here. We have a winner right here. No, it's a pull tab. Oh boy. Come on, baby. Where's Jim at? Lots of glass down here. Gotta at least find a coin here. Ah, that sounds junky. Oh, if this is a coin, this is good. This is very good. Come on, baby. There'll be a coin here. A coin. I found a coin, Jim. I found a coin. A penny. Iron. Oh, frickin' bring it on. Look at that one right there. Look at that thing. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's see if I can pick up a good skipping rock. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, somewhere. Is there a good skipping rock somewhere around here? I don't see one. Really? Oh, yeah. Screamer. This one's flat on the bottom. And it went right in the water. Did not even skip one time. Here's a good skipper. No. There's a flat one. It's flat on the bottom. Skip a little bit there. Okay, I'm mellow testing. Not skipping rocks. I did find her coin. I found a coin down there. I found a coin down there. Screamer, right here. Oh boy, this is freaking hard ground right here. Right there. Come on, bring it. Oh, it's a coin. Another coin. Does that count as a coin right there? I think it does, Jim. I found 2 coins.